Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me a pretty good question. When you go to your pick tool, you have the freehand pick tool that allows you to freehand stuff and pick stuff. But in the shape tool, you don't have that option. It is a rectangle and you can only select a rectangle. Well, maybe not. If you will hold down the Alt key, so I'm going to go like right here, hold down the Alt key, and I'm making a lasso. And this is just picking the inside nodes of this circle. Then I can go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and I can apply a curve to every one of those nodes. And you can do the same thing to the outside. What you do, to me, the best way to do if we want the outside, we're going to take the shape tool and we're going to select them all. But then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and the Alt key. Well, that isn't going to work. Let's just hold down the Shift key. Yeah, Shift and Alt. So let me start over. Shift and Alt. Well, I could have done just the Alt. But see, the Shift deselected them. So now we could round off the other corner. Pretty cool. Let me go over that again because that was a little bit confusing. So select them all, holding down the Shift key and the Alt key. I think what I did that first time, I actually had a node picked. Because you're holding down the Shift key, you're deselecting those, and you can do that. I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.